Vercel versus Netlify. Which one is better? Both Vercel and Netlify are platforms to host and deploy websites or web apps, especially front-end projects like personal portfolios, blogs, or static sites. Vercel best for Next.js apps. Netlify best for static sites. Build speed for Vercel is fast. Build speed for Netlify is fast, sometimes better for large static sites. Vercel is renowned for its exceptional developer experience with focus on simplicity, speed, and ease of use. Zero config deployments for Next.js projects, intuitive and powerful CLI. Netlify offers a comprehensive CLI for a wide range of tasks, well-designed UI that's easy to navigate, more configuration options. For Next.js projects, go with Vercel. For everything else, or if you like more features and flexibility, try Netlify. That's it. Thanks for watching.